Hello friends, happy morning. This is Sonia. So today I am here in this new video of youth care. As I promised in my last video, today I am going to share some important tips on the problem of how and why our youngsters are feeling lack in terms of speaking English. Friends, let's go into the video topic. Friends, do you know the problem? Mostly people, they don't know the real name of the problem. Mostly people, what they think, they are lacking in speaking English. This is not the problem actually. The problem is that they are not lacking in terms of speaking. They are lacking in terms of learning English. Why I am putting so focus on the title of the problem? Because as per my strategies, as per my experience, being a software engineer, until or unless we do not know what is the root reason, what is the root problem, we will not get the right suggestion, right solution of the problem. Because friend, I have seen a lots of examples in my own professional life when people do not know the root reason, the valid reason of the problem, they start putting their effort in wrong direction. And then what happened with them? After putting so much time in wrong direction, when they did not get the result, जब उन्हें result नहीं मिलता, they become frustrated and they stop putting their effort. And this is the main reason कि mostly youngsters, they try to speak English, they also work on English, but because they do not know the root cause of their problem, they do not know the very basic reason on which problem they should work, they don't get when they don't get result, they feel frustrated and they feel demotivated. And that's why mostly people, they are not able to speak fluently, they are not able to speak in English. This is the reason. Friends, because what people are thinking, they are not good at speaking. Actually, they are not good at speaking. They are not good at learning English. आप मुझे बताइए, tell me friends, what you are doing to learn English. I know every youngster want to speak English, want to speak fluently, want to speak with good pronunciation. But what you are doing to get that result? वो result लेने के लिए आप खुद कर क्या रहे हैं? What I want to know about your effort. Are you doing any video course? Are you doing any audio course? Are you reading some books? Have you joined some spoken classes? Are you doing some other kinds of practices? I want to know in terms of comment. आप मुझे बताइए. Because friends, all of these things are very important. Because being an engineer, I know two things very important. First thing, knowing the problem, what is the problem? I have already told you. Second, strategy. And strategy, when we apply second one, when we are clear about the first one. जब हमें प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं पता है तो हम स्ट्रेटेजी कैसे लगाएंगे? अगर हमें प्रॉब्लम ही गलत पता है तो सही स्ट्रेटेजी लगाएंगे भी तो रिजल्ट नहीं आएगा, और अगर हमें प्रॉब्लम पता है और स्ट्रेटेजी गलत है तो भी रिजल्ट नहीं आएगा. तो ये दोनों चीज़ें सही होना, इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस थिंग्स एक्चुअली मोस्टली यंगस्टर्स, दे आर नॉट एबल टू स्पीक विद कॉन्फिडेंस, दे आर नॉट एबल टू स्पीक फ्लुएंटली, दे फील शाय, दे फील lack of confidence because they are thinking that they are lacking in terms of speaking. Actually they are lacking in terms of learning. मैं बताती हूँ आपको. Now you will get confidence कि I am right. Okay, tell me, what is English? English is a language like any other language, like Hindi, like Udiya, Bengali. English is also a language. Why English is important than others? Others language are also important. Actually, language is a mode of communication. Through this communication, we could transfer our idea from one person to another. We can share our idea with others. With Hindi, we can also do it. But what is difference between Hindi and English? English is a global language. If we want to go out of boundary, then we need English. If we learn something more from out of boundary, if we want to learn from available books on internet, if we want to learn from internet, then we need English, because 80% content is available only in English. If we want to read a good book, if it is available in English, then we must know English. So this is why कि English is important. एक चीज़ आपको जाननी होगी कि why English is important for you. तभी आप इंग्लिश की जो प्रॉब्लम है वो स्पीकिंग नहीं है आपकी प्रॉब्लम, वो लर्निंग है प्रॉब्लम. लर्निंग इंग्लिश इज योर प्रॉब्लम, नॉट स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश. स्पीकिंग तो अपने आप हो ही जाएगा व्हेन यू विल स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन योर लर्निंग. तो वो लर्निंग अब हमें करना कहाँ पर है? मोस्टली पीपल दे डोंट नो दिस थिंग. व्हाट दे थिंक इंग्लिश इज अ लैंग्वेज, हमें बोलना है, वी हैव टू स्पीक. ओके, एक्चुअली लैंग्वेज का मीन्स क्या होता है? कम्युनिकेशन. कम्युनिकेशन क्या किसी से वर्बल ही हो सकती है, लाइक आई एम टॉकिंग विद यू वर्बली, दिस इज द ओनली वे ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. और इधर देर आर अदर सेवरल वे ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. There are also other way of communication. Do you know? Reading is also a way of communication. Suppose someone has written one book, I am reading that book, so that is also a communication. I am communicating that person. That person is not available right now in front of me, but I am reading his thought, I am reading his idea, so this is also called communication. One client has sent me a mail and I'm reading that mail, so that is also a communication. That client is communicating with me through a language, and that language is also in English, because that email is also in English. तो जब भी हम इंग्लिश की बात करते हैं, whenever we talk about English, English is not speaking only. इंग्लिश का मतलब है चार चीज़ें. लिसनिंग. अगर आप स्पीकिंग में अच्छे नहीं हैं, सबसे पहले देखिए, आर यू गुड एट लिसनिंग? क्या आप लिसनिंग में अच्छे हैं? इफ़ somebody is speaking in front of you, might be that speaking is not a good high level speaking, but are you able to understand ki what that person want to explain you, what that person want to say you? So this is called listening skill. Second, reading. If someone has sent you one email, if someone has sent you one message, are you able to understand what he want to say in his or in her message? This is called second category of communication. This is called reading. You also have to work on your reading. Then if suppose you want to connect with someone that is not available in front of you, you want to write down one email, you want to write some books, then writing is necessary. If you are not good at writing, then how you will able to write an email, or how you could, if suppose you have to send one resume of yourself to someone for a new opportunity, so how will you make this resume if you don't know how to use English? So this is actually one is the most problem, friend, कि people mostly youngster they do not know, they know only one thing, speaking. They are not good at speaking. This question also they should ask to yourself. अपने आप से क्वेश्चन पूछो, are you good at listening? क्या आप listening में अच्छे हो, राइटिंग में अच्छे हो, रीडिंग में अच्छे हो? अगर इन तीनों चीज़ों में अच्छे होगे तो स्पीकिंग अच्छी हो जाएगी. इफ़ यू आर नॉट गुड एट इन थ्री थिंग्स, इन दिस थ्री सब कैटेगरीज ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन, देन स्पीकिंग पे भी कुछ खास असर नहीं आने वाला है. काफ़ी मेरे यंगस्टर्स फ्रेंड इस वीडियो को देकर सरप्राइज हो गए होंगे कि सोनिया व्हाट आर यू टॉकिंग अबाउट. हम तो इन चीज़ों के बारे में शायद अवेयर नहीं थे या अवेयर हैं, तो अच्छी बात है फ्रेंड्स. तो दिस इज इन द लास्ट ऑफ दिस वीडियो आई वांट टू शेयर यू, आई डोंट वांट टू मेक दिस वीडियो सो लॉन्ग, अदरवाइज इट विल बिकम अ वीडियो कोर्स. सो फ्रेंड्स, जस्ट स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन दिस 4 things. Okay, if you want to learn ki how to start working on these 4 things, Sonia, and how you have done all of these things in your own experience, so write down in comment. I will make one video and start working on all of these 4 tips. मैं अब आपको सारे टिप्स के बारे में बताऊंगी फ्रेंड्स, बिकॉज मैंने भी ये चीज़ें काफ़ी मुश्किल से सीखी. आई हैव लर्न ऑल ऑफ दिस स्किल्स विद अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट्स, एंड आई हैव ऑल्सो डन माई स्कूलिंग फ्रॉम हिंदी मीडियम. तो ये मत सोचिएगा, डोंट थिंक कि यू आर अ पार्ट ऑफ ए हिंदी मीडियम स्कूल सो यू आर नॉट एबल टू स्पीक इंग्लिश. आज के 4 साल पहले अगर हम इंग्लिश नहीं सीख पाए थे, वी वर नॉट एबल टू स्पीक एट द 4 year बैक, सो वी आर नॉट एबल टू स्पीक राइट नाउ, कि अभी भी नहीं बोल पाएंगे. वी कैन. ओके, उस समय स्ट्रेटजी गलत हो सकती है. मैंने बता, आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू 2 things होती हैं. फर्स्ट, प्रॉब्लम तो मैंने अब आपको बता दी है. नाउ यू आर क्लियर कि प्रॉब्लम इज नॉट रिगार्डिंग स्पीकिंग, प्रॉब्लम इज रिगार्डिंग लर्निंग. ठीक है. सेकेंड, स्ट्रेटेजी. अगर आपको कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, कुछ समझना चाहते हैं कि व्हाट इज़ द स्ट्रेटजी ऑफ लर्निंग इंग्लिश बीइंग अ हिंदी मीडियम स्कूल, बीइंग अ हिंदी मीडियम स्टूडेंट, और if you do not have atmosphere at your home, so you can connect with me, you can write down in comment. I will make video on all of these skills that I have used, and I also I would like to share my strategies in other videos. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, so please share this video inside your WhatsApp group, inside your Facebook group, so people could also understand that there is not the problem of speaking English, the problem is regarding learning English. When you start learning English, your speaking will start automatically done. And what is in speaking? Speaking is not related to only what is learning English? Learning English is not related to only speaking. It is also related to writing, reading, listening, and speaking. And speaking is the fourth category. Fourth category automatically improve if you will start working on this 3-1. So thank you for watching this video, and hope your chatters are removed now. Thank you.